To the stocks making the headlines, and just yesterday we told you first and now it's official. Axis Bank has launched that 10,000 crore rupee share sale plan via the QIP route. The floor price of which has been confirmed. Let's take it across to Varun. He joins in with all the details. And Varun, that ET Now exclusive has been confirmed.
So Axis has sent out an exchange filing stating that indeed the QIP has launched, and that confirms the ET Now news break which happened earlier today. So that's a good one. The floor price for the issue has been set at 442. So considering we closed today at 429, that's around a 3% premium to the market closing price. Now it does say that they may offer up to a 5% discount to the floor price to investors. So that means that ultimately you could be seeing allotment at pretty much where the share price is right now, maybe slightly lower at 420, 415. That's better than what we've seen recently with Bandhan Bank, which sold a block at a significantly lower 10% discount. So in that sense, the price here is a lot better. I feel investors might have had speculation because this announcement has come a bit late. Let's remember the share sales by Axis and ICICI were first announced a month ago. Then the trail went cold and we didn't hear anything for a while. And that's why if you look at the way Kotak and HDFC are performing, it's a real marked difference to the way ICICI and Axis are performing. And a lot of investors believe that the fundraise was an overhang which was leading to this poor price performance. So now that we know, okay, they're going to get money, we also heard that Bain, who currently owns around 4% odd of the bank, if I'm not mistaken, is likely to get a higher preferential allotment in excess to the overall QIB book which is being built. But we still haven't heard any details on that. We also haven't heard details on the final quantum. I think that also we'll probably hear tomorrow once the demand really shapes up. But nonetheless, leading bank and, so the marquee participation should be there. And I'm sure we'll have that long list of investors soon enough.
Oh, yes, indeed. In fact, let's connect with Siddharth Purohit, who joins in to discuss that. And Siddharth, the 10,000 crore rupee fundraise that ET Now exclusive confirmed. How are you looking at the kind of participation that we could potentially see with that floor price at 442?
Hi, good morning. In fact, capital raising is a must for most of the banks in the current environment, and Axis is coming at the right time. Now, coming on the issue side, I presume it's a mix of instruments, and for my calculation, I have considered 10,000 crores at a price of 420, assuming that they offer a 5% discount. So I feel that this should increase the net worth by almost 11-12%, and already. The bank has shown some sort of improvement in the moratorium level and has given a positive comment compared to last quarter. So I think participation level from investors should be very interesting and should be quite high for the issue. And given that capital position also improves for the bank, I believe based on my quick calculation, and the capital adequacy should improve by 165 basis points. So this should give a kind of confidence to investors that the bank will be able to sail through difficult times and will be able to rather look forward for growth also in the coming years. So I think participation level should be strong, and I feel that the market should react positively to this announcement. So I take it positively on a net basis. One thing I would like to highlight is that there. Based on my calculation, their ET ratio, which was 13.5% before the issue, should improve almost 150, 160 basis points on a conservative side. So I think these all factors really give a confidence that money is coming even at a difficult time for banks which are well managed, and given the fact that the bank also is trading at a discount to its 5-year, below their 5-year average price to book value, and now quite attractively valued. So I think investors will grab an opportunity to subscribe to the issue, and I'm positive on this. And I feel that a potential 15 to 20% upside on the stock in the near term can't be ruled out. So I stay positive post the deal is announced.
And given the fact that the company did manage to see a growth in its overall NII, etc., in its numbers, it is certainly being viewed as quite positively. Thanks very much, Siddharth, for joining in and sharing with us those details. Time for a short break. Be back with lots more.